Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing?
Hey family, what's going on everybody? Welcome back. We just got back from Sam's and Walmart and we did a summer haul. This is just part one. Believe it or not, we still gotta go back to the store and get a few more things. Not a lot, but a few more. So that will be in part two. So I only had one thing of this water left with the pack that was out. So we went and got two more. I wanted to get three, but we did not have enough space because we just got one basket because we was in a time crunch because of physical therapy. Mama physical therapy was covered. So when we go back to Sam's, probably in the next week, probably the end of the month or the very beginning of the month, because we have to go get some more stuff for Memorial Day. I'm going to get him 3 things of water, and that will last him because my son's last day of school is this Friday. And then I got 3 of these 45 counts. I got one of the 35 things of Coke. We already had that water. I got him another 48 count of Hug juices, that Gatorade, and then these plates. But the Gatorade came from Walmart. The rest of the stuff came from out of Sam's. I do have to go get some more, what I just said, Gatorade, Propel, and Body Armor for Mama because that's what her physical therapist wants her to drink. Now then we're going to go over here and then I'll come back to the table. I got 3 things of Glade. All of this stuff came from Walmart. I got 3 things of the Lemon Glade, 2 of the Stay Cool Watermelon, and 2 of the Aqua Waves. I got 2 Life Water for myself. I like these, and then it's another brand that I like to get. Jordan got him one of the Simply Fruit Punch and 1 thing of orange juice with calcium and vitamin D. I always get this blue one. We got 1 thing of Smucker apple jelly, 3 of the Smucker Goober grapes, and then 1 of the Smucker Goober strawberry. Jordan wanted to try this one. And then a Sprite, 0 sugar, 2 Barks, 2 of the Mountain Dews, and these was on sale at Walmart. So I'm glad we did get them from there. And so that's it with the drinks. And then over here from Sam's, I got 2 of their bunny breads. Y'all know they come 2 in a pack. And shout out to Rachel. We did see one of our crew and family members. And she was so excited. And we were so excited to see her in Sam's today. We got 1 thing of Chester, the Chester hot fries. 3 things of Pringles, 2 sour cream and 1 original, 3 of the Golden Flakes Sweet Heat Barbecue, 2 of the share size. Did I have it way up here? 2 of the share size and 1 of the original ones. Philip also asked for some sour cream and onion chips and some Doritos, and then he asked for 1 thing of Pringles. I think Jordan got this. This yours, the Big Mama, because I didn't pick this up. This Big Mama hot thing. Pickle sausage. I'm gonna throw it away because he said he don't know where this came from. Maybe it just popped up in the basket. He know he got this because I don't eat these things, and it was just me and him. And then 1 thing of yellow cornmeal. I should have got a bigger one, but that'll work for now. A thing of flour, and I did that. 1 10-pound bag of sugar, 36 count of large white eggs, and then the rest of our breakfast stuff over here, starting with the Imperial butter or margarine, whichever you like to call it, the Quaker instant grits, and the Flavor Variety original butter, cheddar cheese, and country bacon, Tennessee Pride sausage biscuits. Now, I personally am not a huge fan of Tennessee Pride sausage because sometimes they can be a little salty. Not all the time, but sometimes. But what I have found is that with they sausage and biscuits, the sausages are not salty. But when we get the pack, sometimes we'll pick up a pack that be a little bit more salty, and sometimes we'll pick up a pack and it be fine. So I'm not quite sure what that's about, but you guys will see what sausages I did get. And then from Sam's, I got the 2 box of Lucky Charms, Walmart, the Frosted Flakes, just a small pack, the 50% more of the Mrs. Butterworth, the Crusties, and y'all know I used to love to get, and not the Angel Mama, but the Mrs. Butterworth pancakes mix, but it is so hard to find that now. And I like the Crusties because the Angel Mama, which is not a pearl meal, I have not been a fan of that brand in a while. That's why I was getting the Mrs. Butterworth. But the Crusties taste exactly like the Mrs. Butterworths in my opinion. So I went on and got the family size. It makes 130 pancakes, which is good for us. This will last us for a minute. And then I decided to get the bag cereal. I usually get the bag cereal for the summertime for 2 reasons. It's zipped to close because I'm tired of my cereal getting stale quick. And then we can lay these on top of each other. So it saves a lot of space. Plus they're cheaper because these are only $5. So we got a Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the Marshmallow Fruity Pebble, and the Cookie Crisp. I don't know why I was going to say Cookie Crunch. So that's that. I showed you guys this. Now we're going to get over, let's see. We're going to come over here. I showed you guys all the water and stuff. The Purnell Old Folks Country Sausage Patties. These are the ones that I prefer to get. Sometimes Walmart have them. Sometimes they don't. I should have got 2. I may still just pick up another one because Winn-Dixie did not have these when we went the other day. And then Jordan picked up 1 pack of which one is this? The Honey Turkey from Walmart. I seen this bacon at Sam's, but this bacon was $21 at Sam's. This was $15 at Walmart. And it is for the 2.5 pounds. So we're going to split this up and put it in Ziploc bags. Jordan picked up a thing of chicken breast tenderloins. I did do a Walmart and a Sam's walkthrough. So if y'all are interested in seeing that video, the link will be in the description box below to my main channel. And I will also leave the link to that video in there. So you guys can just click on it and see. Because they chicken was what, 30? It was almost like $35 for an 8-pound bag of chicken wings. Yeah, chicken drumettes, and I mean an 8-pound bag. So
no, it wasn't no 8 pound.
It was 8 pound for the 35 one, but for this 10 pound, it was 33 for the chicken breast, and that was like the frozen individual ones. But for the ones in the bag, like the packs like this, how much was it for the wings? Like the full wings.
Like the chicken?
Yes, that come in the yellow pack. Yeah, it was $13, $14.
In the bag, they was $30.
Yeah.
And you got more weight in the regular wings in the bag.
Right. So I was like, it was too much. Too much for us. So, and then I got 2 things of the Pilgrim's chicken breast strips, the hot and spicy for Lil Man. He will have these for the summer. I don't know how long they're going to last. And then 2 of the family size beef fajitas. And if y'all remember, they used to sell these 2 to a pack. Even at Sam's, they used to sell them 2 to a pack. Now the chicken, they still sell 2 to a pack. Like you can get both of them like this. But now they just rip these things down the middle, as you can see. And they sell them individually. And it's $10 for 1 pack. And then the popcorn chicken, the Pilgrim's popcorn chicken. Now these was actually reasonable because these was only $4. So that was not bad at all. These here was $8. And then again, it was $33 for a 10 pound of the boneless, skinless chicken breast. But we're going to divide these up and can do a lot with it. And then we got the 10 pound roll. And you guys will see if y'all watch the walkthrough. They only had a few selected pounds of ground beef. And it will cost more for us to get multiple packs than to get this. Even the smaller rolls was a lot. Yeah. So you just, right nowadays, you just gotta do what you gotta do to feed your family.
That roll was $32.
Yeah.
And one is 17.
Yeah, one 5-pound roll was 17, and I would have had to get 2 or 3, and it would have been more than this. And even at Sam's, it was expensive, and even for the packs that come in the square packs, it was expensive. And then I got one of the 2-pound Sweet Baby Ray's. This will be for more meatballs. So I just went on and got that. A thing of creamer, coffee creamer, the Folgers decaf, 12 of the beef burgers, a pack of, well, it's actually 3 pounds of banana. These came from Sam's. The rest of this, y'all can see, came from Walmart. This came from Walmart because Sam's was out of cantaloupes. The jumbo russet potato for a 15-pound bag came from Sam's. These Chiquita pineapples, the extra large ones, came from out of Sam's. And I do have all the prices of everything that I bought in the walkthrough. The Lone Star sweet onions, the sweet Texas onions came from out of Sam's, and so did all of this. And like I said, I got all the prices in my walkthrough. I have my bell peppers, the sweet bell peppers, and then I got my green bell peppers, some more sweet bell peppers, and these are just the mini ones. Seedless grapes, the red seedless grapes, some Honeycrisp apples. And then over here, I got some, and all of this stuff here, all this came from out of Sam's. I got some salt, all came from Walmart. The only thing that I got from out of Sam's was my kicking chicken, because sometimes it'd be hard to find kicking chicken from out of Walmart. So this particular one came from out of Sam's. My salt-free vegetable seasoning, they did not have the garlic and herb in the McCormick. The Mrs. Dash table blend, this was $3.98. This was $6.98. This is why I said I like to get the McCormick, because it's a lot cheaper, but they did not have this, the McCormick in the table blend. Jordan got a Kinder's buttery poultry blend. He got this from out of Sam's. And then the Weber's kicking chicken, I was able to find one at Walmart. But like I said, I use it on everything. I literally do. I even put it in my scrambled eggs. Kicking chicken just tastes good on everything. And then I got the Weber Flavor Bomb burgers. I want to try that. We got the Spice King beef stew and oxtail seasoning. I got 2 garlic powders, and I got 2 onion powders. That'll just stop me back up. We got 2 of the Great Value Fiesta, Great Value Fiesta blend, and a Great Value provolone and mozzarella blend, because Philip asked for quesadillas. That's what we got the beef fajitas for. The Borden singles, Jordan got him a Caesar salad. He got the ginger stir-in paste and the garlic stir-in paste. The tricolor coleslaw. And we had to check their salads, because y'all are seeing that walkthrough. A lot of their salads had looked terrible on the bottom. And then we got the Chi-Chi burrito style tortillas, some celery hearts, and the Sister Schubert Parker House style rolls. If y'all remember that last video, y'all remember Jordan said at Winn-Dixie he wanted some, because those are the ones that they have at Chick-fil-A when they have their chicken bites. And so, yes. And I think that's it. Did I cover everything, man? I think I did. Chicken breast. I think I got everything on here. Did I tell y'all the grapes? Okay. And then, like I said, we will be going back in a few minutes once I get this stuff put up, because I have to go get Mama some stuff her physical therapist need her to drink for electrolytes. And we have a few more items. So y'all stay tuned to the next day video, because I'm going to try to get this video up today. If not, it'll be up Tuesday. And then y'all will catch the next one Wednesday. And that'll be the second part from whatever other stores that we go to. So y'all just stay tuned for that. Please make sure, if you are not subscribed, that you subscribe. Make sure you comment. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it if you care to y'all social media, to y'all family and y'all friends. Let them know about us. And we appreciate you guys, and we will see you all later. Y'all have a great day. Be blessed and stay safe out there. Later, y'all.
Even if you try